The cat with the soft fur will curl up and purr. That spark from the fire will burn the cat's fur. I will varnish the surface of the square bench. I must return this pencil to David after a while. Drive up the lane and turn at the next corner. This kind nurse will take care of the sick person. The burglar hurt Robert's arm and tore his shirt. The burglar had a firm hold of my sister's purse. I must not disturb the baby when she is resting. The actress wore a fur collar on her scarlet jacket. The pipe is burst, so it will be very cold in the hall. Martha and Mark got a big surprise at the party. Mark did not murder Luke, so he will not go to prison. I will surprise the actor if I offer him a part in a concert. Connor hit the ball with the hurl and sent it over the bar.